Hi guys, it's Sue and welcome back to Beauty Fortified. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm talking all about the Avene Eau Thermale Thermal Spring Water. Now this product is really amazing and it's very versatile. It has got way more uses than I ever thought. I used to buy this just for spritzing myself to cool down in the summer, but it's actually a lot more versatile than that. Now this product is bottled at source. It flows through the Cevennes mountains in the south of France, and it's there that Avene have got a bottling plant. So it really is something quite special. The only thing that they add to the product is nitrogen so that it can go into a spray tin like this one. So it really is quite a pure product. Avene are also known for their products for sensitive skins. So they really are a huge range, and if you do have sensitive skin, I can highly recommend them. You are bound to find something in there that is going to help you. So a little bit more about the product. I have found 10 uses for this product. It really is just a mainstay in my makeup kit, and I really do love it. So the first use, of course, is the obvious one. You can use it for spritzing yourself, cooling yourself down, either in very hot weather or during exercise. And of course, you can also take it with you when you travel. It does come in a little travel size as well. So there are three sizes. There's the 50 ml, and then there is the 150 ml, and then there's an even bigger one, which is 300 ml. So really great for spritzing yourself down. I'm thinking about all my friends in the Northern Hemisphere, those in Europe and the UK who are really struggling through the heat. And this is the kind of product that you really want when those days are unbearably hot. You can leave it in the fridge as well, and it just gives you a really beautiful, cool spritz when you use it. So I would highly recommend it for that. The second use for the product is that you can apply it before you apply your skincare. Now, applying skincare to damp skin really helps the product to absorb and is really effective at absorbing just a little bit more than if you were to apply it onto dry skin. So that's a really great tip. I use this if I have cleansed and my skin is feeling a little bit tight. I just spray a little bit of this on, and then I follow through with my skincare, and I find that my skincare just absorbs beautifully. Tip number 3, you can spray it on a mascara wand to reconstitute your mascara. I do this when I'm nearing the end of my tube. If the mascara gets a little bit dry, I just put a little spritz of this on, and it really just helps to give the mascara a little bit more of a lifespan in the tube. So it's really great for that. Tip number 4, it can also be used as a setting spray over your makeup. Now, it's not going to prolong the wear of your makeup, but if you have applied your powder and you feel like you're looking a little bit powdery, you just put a spritz of this on top of everything, and it really just kind of smooths everything out, and your skin will look hydrated again, and it'll also make your highlighter pop. You can also take a little bit on your ring fingers and you can pat it on under your eyes if your eye concealer is looking a little bit cakey throughout the day. I find that it really works wonders just to add a little bit of hydration under the eyes. Tip number 5, this is great for makeup brushes. So if you want your eyeshadow to look a little bit more pigmented, you just spritz a little bit of this onto your eyeshadow brush, dip it into your eyeshadow, and it really will enhance the pigment of your eyeshadow. And the same goes for concealer as well. If you want to just sheer out your concealer, spray a little bit of this onto your concealer brush, and it'll just give you a sheared out effect. And of course, you can also use it to spritz your makeup sponge. Tip number 6, it alleviates itching, redness, and skin irritation. So if you've got a mosquito bite or a superficial cut or a graze, it's really great just for spraying onto the skin, and it will alleviate and soothe the itchiness. Tip number 7, it also soothes and combats sunburn. So if you've had a day out in the sun and you've gone a little bit overboard, you just spray a little bit of it over your sunburn, and it'll really go a long way just to alleviating that pain and the itchiness that comes with sunburn. Tip number 8, it can be used after a superficial skin procedure. So if you have post-laser skin or you've just had a peel, it's really soothing and hydrating just to spray a little bit over the skin, and you don't need to rub it in, you don't need to touch it. It can just kind of lie on your skin and help to soothe the irritation or the redness. Tip number 9, this can be used for soothing nappy or diaper rash, so it really is baby friendly. And finally, tip number 10, it can be used after shaving, so you can use it on your legs, on any body part. You can even use it under your arms once you've shaved. So guys, those are my top tips for the Avene Eau Thermale. It really is just such a beautiful product and so versatile. Let me know what you guys use it for. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.